when this goes online or whatever it is, it really matters, and it like really doesn't matter. What matters is, you know, the people who are sparked by it, and the people who are like offended by it. It doesn't fucking matter. Fuck you, you know, like, because it's about motivating the doers. And anyone that wants to sit around and talk shit, they're doing too much time. They're taking too much time talking shit about it instead of getting up off their ass and following their dreams. Because I'm here to follow my dreams, you know, and help other people follow their dreams and inspire them.
If you're uncomfortable within yourself and not comfortable with the type of person you are, when you see him on his shit, it's gonna make you mad because it makes you feel bad about yourself. Because you wish that you could be that passionate about anything in your life. You see that and you're like, I wish I could be that passionate.
I always feel like I could do anything. That's the main thing people are controlled by. Thoughts, their perception of themselves. They're slowed down by their perception of themselves. If you're taught you can't do anything, you won't do anything.
Why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say, that's the bad guy.
I thank the Lord for my many blessings. Don't stress and keep a vest for protection. From the barrel of a Smith & Wesson. And all my niggas in the pen, here we go again. Ain't nothing separating us but my Mac 10. Born in the ghetto as a hustler. Hold up, straight soldier. Bucking at the busters. No matter how you try, niggas never die. We just retaliate with hate, then we multiply. See we striking down the block, King Kong. Mobbing like a motherfucker, living like I'm Rona. Ain't no stopping at the red lights. Sideways, dumb like motherfucker crawl. Hey, let the cops put they lights on. Chase me, nigga, zigzagging through the freeway. Race me, nigga, in the high-speed chase with the law. The realest motherfucker that you ever saw. Say goodbye to the bad guy. Everybody got to die.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes.
Say goodbye to the bad guy. Everybody got to
You don't have the guts to be what you want to be.
say goodbye to the bad guy.
You need people like me. So you can point your fucking fingers and say, that's the bad guy.
Ain't no escape from a deadly fate. And every day there's a million black bodies put away. I'm starting to lose hope. It seems everybody's on dope. Mama told me to leave cause she was broke. Sometimes I choke on the endo. Creeping out the window alone on my own. I'm a criminal. Got no love from the household. I'm out cold on the street screaming motherfucker peace. I got nothing to do. There's something to prove. What do I do? Little thug life niggas stay true. I wonder when they kill me, is there heaven for a real G? Lord forgive me if you feel me. Cause all my life I was dirt broke. With no hope, little skinny motherfucker wanting dope. I hated cutting suckers with my razor blade. But every day is a struggle to get made to pay. Say goodbye to the bad guy.